Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about linear and binary search. Linear search is very simple and basic search technique. Every atom is checked, and if match is found, then display the message or return the value that number is found. So here is the printf message. Declare array and initialize the array. Function call array parameter 1. The length of the array over the size of the array is 7, and I want to search number that is 12. So linear algorithm, target value, number of elements, and the array is here. Int temp, temporary variable. So search each with each number. So you can like I here less than is equal to n. So a of I is equal to target, then temp is 1, and that use break, that number is here, and after that if temp is 0, then obviously there is no match. If temp is equal to 1, then there is match and number is found. So run the program. Not found message. Why? Because this 12 is here. Sorry, use braces here. Here, run the program. Found. So number is found. So you can search 120, not found, and target value is 54. Search and number found. So this is all about linear search, which is very simple. Now binary search is a fast search algorithm. It used divide and conquer approach to search the element. There are two predefined conditions. First one is that data should be sorted in descending or ascending order. So the second one is that access of each location. So we can implement binary search only in array, not in linked list, because array provides the facility of direct access to each element. So search a value from array by using binary search. So 12, 30, these are the values into the array. Left is here, midpoint is here, right plus left divided by 2 to calculate the midpoint of the array. So the simple technique is, if I search a value that is, for example, 33, so match with the mid value, match with the midpoint, and if value is equal to the midpoint, then value is here. If value is not matched with the midpoint, then if value is greater than mid, then search from the right side of the array. If value is less than the mid, then search from the left side of the array. So this is not like linear search, because in linear search we are going to match each element with the target value. So This is very efficient way to search element from the array. Now we are going toward implementation. So here is the algorithm for binary search. So integer midpoint for calculating midpoint. Here is the variable left, obviously 0 by default, like left by default 0, and right is number of element minus 1 is right, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 minus 1 is the right. So the right value is equal to n minus 1. So left less than is equal to right. So search till left is less than equal to right. Mid is equal to calculate the mid, left plus right divided by 2 to calculate the mid. If target is equal to mid, then return mid. If target is less than mid, then search from right side of the array. So the value of the left will be mid plus 1. So for example, I want to search a value that is 99. So if 99 is greater than 69, obviously 99 is greater than 69, then search from the right side of the array. So what will be the left in this case? So left will be mid plus 1. So the value of left is mid plus 1. And if I suppose that I want to search 33, so then the value of right will be mid minus 1. If value is not found, then return minus 1, otherwise return mid. So run the program. Found, because here if result is greater than 0, then found. If result is in minus, then result less than 0 and not found. Not found. So this is all about linear and binary search. Thank you for watching this video.